So here we have linguine with a brown shrimp, spring onion and citrus butter. And really this is, in a way, potted shrimps, how you've never seen it before. Wonderful linguine with this amazing butter with the beautiful little shrimps and spring onions, lots of citrus zest, a little bit of cayenne. Absolutely delicious and, as always, actually simple dish. So first things first, to cook, you pop your bay leaf into your pan of boiling water. You add 1 teaspoon of salt per litre of water. Make sure you've got plenty of water at a rolling boil. We then take your linguine, and then it's super simple. It's about getting the sauce just into a state that is ready to receive the pasta when it comes out of the water. So we take our pasta water. This is a pre-made, fantastic, starchy pasta water, which is so important in the making of pasta sauces. It really helps to bring together the sauce, or the butter in this case, and the pasta. It links the two things together into this amazing finished sauce. So we heat that up. We add, we're not trying to reduce it, we're not trying to interfere with it at all, we just need to get it hot, and that's it. We add the shrimp butter. You can see in there all the beautiful little shrimp, spring onions, little bits of cayenne, lots of citrus zest, and all we do is warm it through. This will come together into this simple sauce, but it's when we add the pasta, when it's nearly finished cooking, that it'll bring everything together into the one finished, utterly delicious dish of really what is all the flavors of potted shrimps, folded through linguine. Just keep shaking the pan. You don't really want the pasta water to reduce at all, you just want to melt it. And as it doubles up as a chill pack, it might well be frozen when you get it. As soon as the pasta is cooked, take it out of the water, give it a good shake, bring it over the pan, dip it in, and now this is where the love starts. So you just want to turn the heat down. It doesn't want to be nothing too hot, nothing too angry, and you just want to keep swirling the pan. Get a spoon in there or a fork or anything just to keep tickling the pasta around to make sure that everything is getting evenly coated. And after about a minute or so, that pasta water will have absorbed into the pasta itself as it finishes cooking. The butter will thicken up as the pasta water gets absorbed, and you end up with this absolutely magical sauce of citrusy spring onion brown shrimp butter. I can see that happening now. It's just coming together as this lovely, luxurious, emulsified sauce. As soon as it's there, turn it down, grab yourself a hot bowl, always warm the bowl. So disappointing to tip a beautiful plate of pasta into a cold bowl and the whole thing congeals. And then just let it tease it out of the pan, making sure you scrape all that lovely buttery goodness. And then we take the Parmesan and just a little sprinkle over the top. Enjoy.